Have you ever wondered why some RC helicopters feel effortless to fly, while others turn into a frustrating experience after just a few minutes? With so many models offering different designs, flight systems, and features, choosing the right one can quickly become confusing. A good comparison helps separate impressive specifications from the options that truly deliver value. In this guide, we've selected 5 RC helicopters based on available specifications, features, value, popularity, and overall customer feedback. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, these carefully chosen models are worth considering. Let's start with our number 5 pick.
Number 5. RC Era C129 V2 RTF RC Helicopter. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the RC Era C129 V2, a feature-packed RC helicopter designed for both beginners and hobbyists looking for a stable, easy-to-fly model. Its 6-axis gyroscope and 6G flight mode help deliver smooth, controlled flights, while one-button takeoff, landing, and 3D flip functions make flying more enjoyable. The helicopter offers up to 15 minutes of flight time, an 80-meter control range, and fast USB charging. Based on customer feedback, users appreciate its stable performance, responsive controls, and solid build quality, with many saying it's easy to learn even for first-time pilots. However, a few users mentioned that strong wind can affect stability outdoors, and some experienced minor shipping-related issues, although the helicopter itself performed well after setup.
Number 4. WLtoys K170 Brushless RC Helicopter. Coming in at number 4 is the WLtoys K170, a scale-style RC helicopter inspired by the UH-60L Blackhawk and built for pilots who want realistic looks with dependable performance. It features a brushless main motor, 6-axis gyroscope, 1-key takeoff and landing, 4-channel control, an 80 to 100 meter operating range, and up to 20 to 30 minutes of flight time using the included batteries. Customer reviews consistently praise its stable flight, durable construction, realistic appearance, and responsive handling, with many saying it's easy and fun to fly, even after multiple indoor crashes. The main drawback is that it's best suited for calm weather, as stronger winds can affect overall stability.
Number 3. Brilliant Deer C129 E129 RTF RC Helicopter that combines simple controls with stable, confidence-inspiring flight performance. It features a 4-channel control system, 6-axis gyroscope, barometer-assisted altitude hold, 1-key takeoff and landing, stunt mode, and an aerodynamic single-propeller design for smoother handling. With up to 15 minutes of flight time, an 80 to 100 meter control range, and fast USB charging, it's well suited for both indoor and outdoor flying. Customer feedback highlights its fun flying experience, reliable stability, solid build quality, and quick delivery, with many users recommending it for practice and casual flying. While it performs best in calmer conditions, overall satisfaction remains consistently high among verified buyers.
Number 2. M5 Remote Control Helicopter. Earning the number 2 spot is the M5 Remote Control Helicopter, a compact model designed to deliver a stable and enjoyable flying experience for beginners and experienced users alike. It features a 3.5-channel control system, altitude hold, a built-in gyroscope, LED lighting, and a durable body that helps withstand everyday bumps and rough landings. With a flight time of around 10-12 minutes, a control range of up to 100 meters, and USB charging, it's well suited for both indoor and outdoor fun. Customer reviews consistently praise its smooth, stable flight, easy assembly, solid build quality, and excellent value, with many users noting that it remains reliable even after a few crashes. While it isn't intended for advanced aerobatic flying, it's a dependable choice for casual RC enthusiasts. Number 1. JIKEFUN LM19 Max RC UAV Osprey Helicopter with 4K camera. Claiming the top spot is the JIKEFUN LM19 Max, a premium RC helicopter that combines advanced flight features with built-in aerial photography for a more immersive flying experience. It features a brushless motor, integrated 4K camera, optical flow positioning, one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, gesture photo capture, auto return, Wi-Fi image transmission, and up to 16 minutes of flight time with a control range of around 150 meters. Customer reviews consistently praise its smooth flight, responsive controls, attractive design, and solid build quality, with many describing it as easy to control despite its advanced features. A few users noted that it doesn't include every intelligent flight mode, such as waypoint or point-to-point navigation, but overall satisfaction and performance remain exceptionally high.
That wraps up our look at the top 5 best RC helicopters in 2026. Each model offers something different, so the right choice depends on your flying style, experience, and expectations. Let us know in the comments which RC helicopter you like the most. You can find the product links in the description below. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.